Hello everyone, this is Dr. Porto from Brazil. I'm a plastic surgeon and a senior faculty of American Academy of Aesthetic Medicine. Non-invasive technique for facial rejuvenation. The goal of this course is to teach you how to decide which technique you use for facial rejuvenation. Traditional facelift or the new one, the other options, non-invasive options. How to analyze the face, how to indicate, well, surgical facelift or facial thread lift.
0.5 centimeters. So I put it here. Never on the groove. If you put it here with your thread, it will be like a dimple or make it deeper. So a little bit on the highest part of the fold. So let's put it. A, B, C.
I will teach you how to decide what kind of patients are indicated for, what kind of thread do you use, and which technique you must use. I hope you to enjoy this course because this is very practical with clear explanations, a lot of discussions, but especially very practical. Hands in hands, I will teach you how to put the threads, how to decide, how to analyze the face. You will have a big opportunity to be the best in the world if you join us. Thank you.